Unboxing of a 72-piece case, code FFN. Just received my basic assortment, my 2012 basic assortment today. So I'm going to do a video of unboxing it. Case code for anybody that's interested is FFN. This is an F case car assortment. So I'm going to open it up and see what we got. Try to go through this pretty quick. Here we go. We got the M3 GT2 fast cash. We got the Tyrrell P34, the Volkswagen Type 181, and Jaded. This is the treasure hunt for the F case car. 71 Plymouth Roadrunner. Here we go. We got the Boss Laguna Seca 302. And these recolor, the silver finish. Looks pretty good. Oh wow, check out this one. Bluebird 510, the recolor, the faster than ever, with a Shark Cruiser and Slingshot. 2010 Ford Shelby GT500, faster than ever. We got a recolor, also the Plymouth GTX, and the 68 Dodge Dart. And this is the F case assortment for anybody who's interested. Got this online. You can do an online search for dealers. Here's another M3 BMW 2002 in this assortment, and the Megan Trophy. Two more of the BMW 2002s. And a recolor of the Imparable. The Chevelle SS. Now this one looks good in the blue. Also another Boss. I like that one. The red one looked good. I think the blue one definitely looks good as well. Here we got the 60 Hemi Barracuda, along with two of the Ford Falcon race cars. Also, if you see any ones you like, let me know which one's your favorite of this assortment. For all you Drift Kings, we got the Dodge Challenger Drift with the 11 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport, the Fire EMS, and then we got the Sandblaster. Swamp Buggy, Acura NSX, and this is one of the new ones, the 47 Chevy Fleet line. Looks good in yellow. Check it out. Another Ford Shelby Infiniti G37, still in that F case assortment. Here's a new one of the Chevy Novas. 68 Chevy Nova in the black, and the Hot Wheels Racing, number 6. Roadrunner, 67 Ford Mustang for all your Mustang fans. If you're still interested in getting that one, it's still coming out. Another Ford Mustang, and the Ferrari 458 Italia Hot Wheels All-Stars. Berserk, a little go-kart. There we go. We still got the go-kart for all you go-kart fans, and another Ford race car. Got the Ford GTX1, faster than ever with the big rims, the gold finish. Here we go, 62 Chevy, 71 Dodge Challenger. That's a good looking color. Another faster than ever. And the Cougar Eliminator, still getting that one in the assortment. Also the purple Super B. The 71 Buick Riviera, a prehistoric. Got a couple of the track stars also, still getting out in the assortment. Shark Cruiser. Here's the recolor of the 2010 Chevy Impala. Now notice this one has the gold finish faster than ever wheels. I did get in my Kmart cases assortment. I got the same one but with the silver finish wheels. Let me know which ones you got, if you got them in the Kmart days or if any of them are hitting the pegs yet. Still getting the orange Camaro, or it's not Camaro, excuse me, Monte Carlo SS and the Nova. There we go, another Dodge Challenger Drift. Wow, check this one out for all you bike guys out there. Bad Bagger. Got the red finish on the wheels, almost like a red line looking wheel style. That one looks good. Also, it's got the scanning track for you guys keeping up with them. You can scan these on your smartphones and be able to track which cars you got. It's a pretty neat feature on these with all the apps coming out with all these smartphones. Still getting the Z01s in the blue color for all you Z01 fans. And the last three that we got the Bone Shakers, 2 Bone Shakers, and another 458 Italia. So that is case code is FFN for the F case assortment, 2012 72 piece assortment. Also be sure to check out my video that I have on the contest giveaway for February. Be sure to sign up, post a comment, and subscribe. The ending will be on March 1st for the giveaway, so be sure to sign up, let anybody else know that's interested in subscribing. This is F Case Assortment, and we'll see you.